Hello, and welcome to this quick and helpful guide. If TikTok is taking up too much space or acting slow, clearing its data can help. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to clear TikTok data on your Android phone safely and easily. Let's get started. Go to your Android phone and find the TikTok app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the TikTok app icon until a small menu appears. Tap on App Info from the options that pop up. In the App Info screen, scroll down and tap on Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Data. A message will appear warning you that all app data will be deleted. Confirm the action by tapping OK. This will remove all stored data, including your login information. Once completed, open TikTok again. You'll be asked to log in to your account just like the first time. That's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.